To learn English at school, English learners can practice by listening to their teacher and classmates speaking English. They can also read books in English to improve their reading skills. Another way is to write in English, like practicing writing letters and words. English learners can also play language games with friends to make learning fun. With practice every day, English learners can become better at English. Learning English at school vocabulary list. Language. The method of human communication, either spoken or written, consisting of the use of words in a structured and conventional way. Classroom. A room in a school where students have lessons. Teacher. A person who helps others learn new things. Student. A person who is learning, especially in a school. Alphabet. A set of letters or symbols used to write a language. Word. A small unit of language that has a particular meaning. Reading. The action or skill of reading written or printed matter. Writing. The activity or skill of marking coherent words on paper and composing text. Listening. To give attention with the ear. Attend closely for the purpose of hearing. Speaking. The action of conveying information or expressing one's thoughts and feelings in spoken language. Dictionary. A book or electronic resource that lists the words of a language, typically in alphabetical order, and gives their meaning or equivalent in a different language. Phrase. A small group of words standing together as a conceptual unit, typically forming a component of a clause. Pronunciation. The way in which a word is pronounced. Sentence. A set of words that is complete in itself, typically containing a subject and predicate, conveying a statement, question, exclamation, or command. Spelling. The process or activity of writing or naming the letters of a word. 1. Have you ever studied English at school before? 2. What do you think is the best way to learn a new language? 3. Do you enjoy learning languages in a classroom setting? 4. How important do you think it is to learn English as a second language? 5. What are some challenges you face when learning a new language? 6. Have you used any online resources to help with your English studies? 7. Do you have any favorite English words or phrases that you've learned? 8. Why do you think it's beneficial to be bilingual or multilingual? 9. How do you practice speaking English outside of the classroom? 10. What motivates you to continue learning and improving your English skills?